Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. This is, I personally think, the biggest week for Shiba Inu that there ever has been. Since Shiba came onto the scene, this is the biggest week. And we're going to talk about why that is, and we're going to look at that in depth. And we're also going to talk about all of the major catalysts coming up for Shiba and everything. And I'll also give you a price prediction. So we're going to talk about that as well. All right, so let's talk about everything going on with SHIB. This is an amazing week. It's coming up. We've got the prices going up. We're gradually moving up. Let me quickly show you guys the trading view chart. You can see we are absolutely just we are moving up. You know, there's your nice little, movement up. Now we've from there to there. And I mean, this is not going to be perfect. I'm literally just kind of doing this as we go. We'll see. Maybe we might be seeing some. Now those are not perfect. I'll clean them up later, but you get my point. Okay, so we might be seeing some sideways action there, but we had this consolidation period right in here, and then we took this nice little jump up, and we moved over to the side. So we'll see. I think everybody is in a wait and see attitude right at this moment, and we're up 3%. Okay. What is going on with this week? Why is this the biggest week going on? What's going on? If you don't know, here it is. We are going to have a CERTIC AMA, specifically around Shiba Swap. This is a Ask Me Anything from CERTIC to this right here, guys, cuts all of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt out. People who've been saying Shiba Swap is not real have quietly gone away. I realize that there are some people in my audience who have a wait and see attitude until they actually see the code deployed. I get that, okay? But the fact is, we wouldn't be having a CERTIC AMA if it was not real. Let's just state the obvious, okay? Now, some of you guys may beg to differ and have a different opinion on that. That's cool. That's why we live in a free world of democracy. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. I get it. That's cool. Okay. So, but as far as my job sitting in this seat, my job is real simple. It's to bring you the news. It's to let you know what is going on with SHIB, the latest and greatest. And this is the major, huge, big thing. This is the check in the box that we are moving forward, etc. Okay, now I'm also going to talk about the fact that there is speculation that Shiba Swap is going to be released on July 1. There is speculation to that, okay? Is that going to happen? I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to tell you this, okay? Now, this AMA is tomorrow, June 29th at 4 p.m. Eastern, and you can catch it on their Telegram, okay? So that's where you can go. And to get there, you basically scan this little scanning thingy-madooger here. That's a technical term, thingy-madooger. I don't even know how you would spell that. Thingy-madooger. That would be tough to spell. All right, but you can scan that, and then that'll take you over, and you can get onto their AMA. I will be covering this tomorrow and be letting you guys know what is, probably most likely after the event is done. I'll be coming to you and letting you know what was said and the good, the bad, and the ugly, and all that kind of stuff. All right, so that's our huge big thing this week, number one. Number two, our huge big thing this week is possibly Coinbase Pro starting to reopen, or not reopen, but to officially start trading SHIB on Coinbase Pro. Okay, just to remind you, the way that this all works is that when Coinbase brings on a new token onto their network, they bring it onto the Coinbase Pro part first, which is the professional trading platform, not their main trading platform. They do that to basically, get through any bugs or anything that may happen, issues. And they did have some issues. They had some issues with inbound deposits not going into the right place, etc. So that's why they halted, the trading, that scenario, period. That's what happened. Okay. So they're and they cited, quote, technical reasons. Well, I dug into it and found that it had to do with these inbound transfers of deposits and things like that. So they have come out and said that they have, quote, Notice the quotes. They have, quote, fixed that technical issue. And so it's just a matter of kind of like, hey, when is it going to happen? Okay, so I think that there is speculation, again, the S word, speculation, that is going to be this week, is that when Coinbase Pro will reinitiate trading for Shiba Inu. We didn't even get started. They will start this week on Coinbase Pro. Do I have concrete, firm, written in stone proof of that? No, I do not. Okay, but it's one of those things where I'm bringing you the information so that you know what the latest and greatest is. Okay, so that's what's going on related to Coinbase Pro. Those two events right there, those guys, is that, well, there's really three, right? Those two events. Number one, the CertiK AMA. Okay, that one, huge. Could absolutely, I firmly believe it's a catalyst that could move the price up, could help us to continue to, go up, right? I think that could happen, okay? Secondly, we've got Coinbase Pro could move the price up, okay? I got to draw my little arrow here because, if you didn't know what up is, it's up. And then thirdly, we've got that scenario that looks like possibly, speculatively, that Shiba Swap could go live on July 1. Okay, so there's speculation and rumor around that, okay? Don't have concrete proof of that either. There's three major events that could happen. If we get one of them, well, we are going to get one of them. We got the CertiK AMA. We're looking good, okay? So I'm really digging this week. This is a big, huge week, guys. Okay, beyond that, we've got what? We've got the usual stuff. We got Robinhood hanging out in the wings. We've got, what else do we have? We have Robinhood. We have eToro possibly bringing it on, and I got to believe that they will. And Webull, those are the other three major things. Now, also I want to remind you that Shiba, that they redid their website. Okay, so go check out their website. It's shibatoken.com. Okay. Also, they have a new Wolf Paper version 2. Go check it out, download it, read it. I realize most of you will not, but go check it out and just read it. Okay, it's a version 2 of their Wolf Paper. Okay, so just that's something that's of interest to you if you're a SHIB holder as well. Something you should probably just be in the know about. Let me also update you on a pretty cool developing scenario. Remember when was this? It was on June 25. So it's 3 days ago. For Bitcoin shorting, we spiked all the way up to 26,000 plus shorts on Bitcoin, and my fear was that we were going to drop below 30,000. We actually did briefly, but we were going to drop and kind of continue to keep going. So that has not happened. The shorts have backed off. You can see that we're down 18+%. We're actually down a lot more than that. Okay, but we could from 26,000, 24, 20. I think we hit 20. No, we hit 25,489 was our peak. As far as short selling positions. Now, why do you care? Because short selling positions put pressure on Bitcoin. It's selling pressure. It's people shorting. It's people that want to. They make money. The simple definition: they make money when Bitcoin goes down. They don't want Bitcoin to go up. Okay, so we had that pressure ease off, and Bitcoin did rebound fairly nicely. Okay, I actually bought some more Bitcoin yesterday. So. Actually, last night about around 11 o'clock Dallas time. That's when I picked some up. There you go. Pretty cool stuff, right? Okay, firm believer in this market. We will continue, I think, to see some overall soft conditions. If you look at kind of what's going on with Bitcoin, Ethereum right now, I mean, Ethereum's bounced up pretty nicely. I bought some Ethereum last night too. We're up 9% in the last 24 hours. Doge is coming back a little bit. Everything's just a little bit flat right now. We're at 4.19 increase over the last day for the overall market conditions. So, guys, this is your kind of update. This is, I think, one of the biggest weeks for SHIB. We'll continue to see everything that develops. As always, I'm here for you, and I'll see you down the road. See you. Bye.